Okay, we'll now go to the next question on vectors lesson for CET 2015 exam. If vector n1 and vector n2 are two unit vectors and theta is the angle between them, then cos theta by 2 is, that means the value of cos theta by 2 can be expressed as option A, half of magnitude of vector n1 plus vector n2. Option B is half of magnitude of vector n1 minus vector n2. C is the option half of vector n1 plus vector n2. D is, again there is some option is there. It is given that vector n1 and vector n2 are unit vectors. Let us first consider, we get to know most of the times we get to know the answer from the problem itself. Let us consider magnitude of vector n1 plus vector n2 squared. Let's square it. So when you square this, this is vector n1 squared plus vector n2 square magnitude plus 2 into vector n1 magnitude of vector n1 into magnitude of vector n2. This is a dot product here. Now use the definition of dot product. And you also know that since n1 and n2 are unit vectors, what is the value of magnitude of vector n1, which is equal to magnitude of vector n2, which is equal to 1. So magnitude of vector n1 plus vector n2 on the left hand side, it is squared. Square is retained, is equal to. Now this is the magnitude of vector n1 is 1. So 1 square, that is 1 plus 1 plus 2 times of magnitude of vector n1 1, magnitude of vector n1 1 into cos theta. So this is 2 plus 2 cos theta is equal to magnitude of vector n1 plus magnitude of vector n2 square. You now take two common factor, 2 into 1 plus cos theta is equal to magnitude of vector n1 plus magnitude of vector n2 square. And now use the formula for 1 plus cos theta. We know that 1 plus cos theta is 2 cos square theta by 2. So this is 2 into 2 cos square theta by 2. Why? Because what is the value of 1 plus cos theta? 1 plus cos theta, we all know it is 2 cos square theta by 2. So substituting for 1 plus cos theta as 2 cos square theta by 2, which is equal to magnitude of vector n1 square n1 plus magnitude of vector n2 whole square. If we take the square root on both sides, we will get the value of cos theta by 2. So taking square root on both sides, 2 into 2 is 4 and square root of 4 is 2. So this becomes 2 cos theta by 2 is equal to magnitude of vector n1 plus magnitude of vector n2 whole square. We just wanted the value of cos theta by 2. So cos theta by 2 comes out as half of magnitude of vector n1 plus magnitude of vector n2. I have taken already square root, so no need to write the square root sign. So which is the answer? Magic. Answer is A. So the value of cos theta by 2 is half of magnitude of vector n1 plus magnitude of vector n2.